Hey everyone! So my daughter's birthday is coming up. She is going to be turning 7 at the end of the month, and I wanted to build her something special. And Anna White has this really cute little like pretend makeup box that comes with wooden makeup. It's all pretend and it's a really simple build. So I thought that was something that I could go ahead and build her for her birthday. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to batch out 10 of them and hopefully sell the extra set of 9 and make a little money off of it. So if you're interested in that build, keep watching and we'll get her done.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Alright, so I got my cut list right here, right off of Anna White's site, and I am going to cut 2 1x3s at 6.5 inches, and then I'm going to cut 3 1x2s at 6.5 inches. And I find the easiest way to make consistent cuts is to set up a stop block on the chop saw so that you know you're getting repetitive cuts exactly the same. Okay, so I've got all my 1x2s and my 1x3s cut at the 6.5 inches. Now I'm going to take the leftover pieces and I'm going to cut 2 1x3s at 11 inches and 2 1x2s at 11 inches. Okay, I've got all of my pieces cut for the box frame, and I did a quick dry fit to make sure that my measurements were going to line up with the ones that Anna White had put on hers, and we're looking good. So I'm going to go ahead and I got my 1/4 inch sheet of plywood, and I'm going to cut, you need 2 pieces cut at 8x11. So that's going to be the top of the box and the bottom of the box. Alright, so next on our plan, we are going to take our 1/4 inch board that we just cut out, and we are going to cut out this pattern. So I'm going to take one of my boards and I printed off the pattern that is on the website, and I'm going to place it on top of my board, and I'm going to mark the center of those holes and cut them out on my drill press with a Forstner bit. So it's a 1 1/4 inch. You can get a whole box of Forstner bits at Harbor Freight for like 40 bucks. And these can also go inside of your drill, so you can do it by hand if you don't have a drill press. I'm fortunate enough to have one, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it. Alright, this morning I'm going to start gluing up all of my box frames. I'm going to do that by just gluing the ends and throwing a 2-inch nail into it to secure it and let the glue dry. So that way it'll act as a clamp and I can continue to move on from frame to frame. guys, so I was out of commission for a little bit because I wasn't feeling well, but now we're back at it. And what I did was I took my little template right here and I placed it on the other board and I drew my circles and then I picked the colors that I wanted and I just gave them a quick paint. I've got 2 palettes here and now I am going to just take some wood glue and I am going to glue the template part on top of that part. And I've got some spring clamps. I'm gonna clamp them, keep them in place until the wood glue dries, and then that part will be done. I am so excited, you guys. These are so cute. You can personalize them any way you'd like. I did this cute little cat face and then this more sophisticated, classy, floral one. And I went ahead and painted the makeup pieces right here, and I will make sure to show you a little closer up later. Right now that all that is done, I am going to give everything a good spray of clear coat to seal the wood and protect the paint a little bit longer. Alright, so here you can kind of see everything that we've got to go with this box, and I'm going to go through it a little bit with you so that you can see what I am including in this box. So we have the 2 top options like I had shown you before. Super cute. And then on the inside of this, we are going to be putting a acrylic mirror, and I will have links below to all the things that I did purchase from Amazon, so you can find it if you want it. So we have the acrylic mirror, and there's a coating on the front that will peel off, and then it's also adhesive on the back. And I also ordered a little powder pad, and then we've got the eyelash, or sorry, and then we have the eyeshadow brush right there, and then we also have our blush brush, and then out of the wooden things that we made 2 of the fingernail polish. We made the lipstick. We've got a perfume and a foundation. You really can call them whatever you want. That's just what I'm calling them. And then our 2 palettes of eyeshadow. If you want to say some of them are blush, whatever you want to do with that. And then I have these cute little antique hinges right here, hinges and screws, and then the latches that are going to go on the front of the box. So we're going to put everything together.